Hello everyone, here is Team Intovision and our project is text translation classes. First of all, we see that our project is focusing on solving the problem of visually impaired people which encounter while reading text. Also, we will see how this project helps us language translator for general purpose. Now, in the further slides, we emphasize on the three parts: project, technology, and application. First of all, here is the flow process our project work. First of all, whenever image can encounters, it will capture and processes to OpenCV. After that, with the using of Tesseract OCR, the text is extracted from the image. After that, we by using an NLP, we already trained a model to translate from one language to another language. The text will go through that, and the text will be translated. After that, for whole this process, we are using a processor as Raspberry Pi, where all the code and processor are the ongoing. After this process, we use the GTTS Google text to speech so that our user get the text into the speech form.
Okay, so this was all about the project flow. The technologies that we are using are OpenCV, the optical character reader, as mentioned, Raspberry Pi as the microprocessor, and NLP that is used for text translation, as already mentioned by Shubham Gupta. Coming to the applications part, this project helps basically the visually impaired people to understand the text since the captured text is processed and converted into speech. Also, the NLP part that we are using helps us to convert the text of one language into another language, so language as a barrier can be overcome. Further, it can also be used in the navigation and language processing of various boats and drones. Looking into the future perspective, we are trying to implement this project on 10 different languages. Currently, this works for Spanish to English. Also, we are training our model to the best so that the noise encountered while capturing the images for text processing can be removed, and also the model can read symbols, street signs, which can make the life of visually impaired people easier. Now we will see the live demo of the project. Okay, so this was the live demo of the project, and here are some pictures from this live demo. Like this is the image captured from the camera, and this is the processed text. And also here we are showing the live of the text translated, where Spanish has been translated into English. That is saying "I like to travel." And this was all about our project. Thank you so much.